Health benefits of walnuts after 50. Walnuts, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, offer a myriad of health benefits. Now, especially beneficial for those aged 50 and above. Packed with essential nutrients, now these humble nuts can significantly contribute to overall health and well being. Now, why walnuts deserve a place in your diet as you age? Heart health champion. Walnuts are rich in omega 3 fatty acids, particularly alpha linolenic acid, ALA. Now, these healthy fats are known to promote cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL levels, and improving the function of blood vessels. Regular consumption of walnuts has been associated with lower risk of heart diseases and stroke, making them a heart friendly addition to your diet. Number two, brain booster. The omega 3 fatty acids, which are found in walnuts, are also crucial for brain health. They support cognitive function and help reduce the risk of age related cognitive decline. Now, studies suggest that incorporating walnuts into your daily diet can improve memory and concentration, making them an excellent choice for maintaining brain vitality as you age. Number three, anti inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common issue as we age, and it is linked to various diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Walnuts contain antioxidants and polyphenols that help to combat inflammation in the body. Including walnuts in your diet help reduce inflammation markers and alleviate the symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Let us talk about the number four, bone health support. As we grow older, maintaining strong and healthy bones become increasingly important. Walnuts are a good source of minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for bone health. Now, these nutrients contribute to bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fracture in older adults. Let's talk about the number five, weight management aid. Despite being calorie dense, walnuts can be beneficial for weight management after 50. Now, their combination of healthy fats, proteins, and fiber promote satiety, keeping you full for longer periods. Now, snacking on the walnuts help to curb the cravings and prevent the overeating, supporting healthy weight maintenance. Let us talk about the number six, which is gut health booster. Walnuts contain dietary fiber, now which plays a crucial role in digestive health. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents the constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can contribute to better digestion and overall health, gut health, which becomes increasingly important as you age. Let us talk about number seven, which is antioxidant powerhouse. Yes, rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, walnuts help combat the oxidative stress and free radicals that contribute to aging and disease. Now, these antioxidants protect cells from damage, promote skin health, and may even contribute to longevity when consumed regularly. Let's talk about the number eight, which is diabetes management. Now, for those managing diabetes or who are at the risk of developing it, walnuts offer a diabetic friendly snack function. They have a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels due to their fiber, healthy fats, and protein content. Including walnuts in a balanced diet can contribute to better blood sugar control and overall metabolic health. How to incorporate walnuts into your diet? Snack option. Enjoy a handful of walnuts as a nutritious snack between the meals. Number two, you can go with salads and yogurt as well. Sprinkle the chopped walnuts over salads or mix them into yogurt for added crunch and nutrition. Baking and cooking. You'll use the walnut flour or chopped walnuts in baking recipes, oatmeal or stir fries for a nutty flavor and added health benefits. Walnuts are not only just delicious, they are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients beneficial for overall health, particularly as we age. From heart health and brain function to bone strength and weight management, the health benefits of walnuts make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Now consider incorporating walnuts into your daily meals and snacks to reap these incredible health benefits and support your well-being after 50. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video and also comment to share your views about it. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more health content.